how to add follow button on Facebook. So if you want to add a follow button on your Facebook, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Facebook application. Once you open up your Facebook, go with the upper right, which has that 3 horizontal lines, and tap on your profile. So if you have a professional dashboard, then you will have the follow button. So you need to go with the right side, which has that 3 dots, and from here you will have turn on professional mode. You just need simply tap on turn on professional mode and turn your professional mode on your Facebook. Once you've turned it on, you can go back, refresh your page, and you will have your professional dashboard. Now, if you go with the 3 dots, which is on the right side, and if you tap on view as, then as you can see that your profile looks like this. And after that, you can go with your settings, tap on settings and privacy, and then tap on settings, scroll down and tap on how people can find and contact you. And here under who can send you friend request, you can simply choose anyone, or if you choose friends of friends, then only friends of friends will be able to send you friend request, and all the other people will be able to follow you. In the same way, you can go with all the other options and then make it public. And that's it. That's how you can add a follow button. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.